Welcome back. So we're in part 2 of this series of videos for the Autodesk Certified Professional, isn't it, for Revit design, architectural design. Anyway, so today we're going to change this these units, let's say. Okay, we've been fair enough for metric users, so these series of videos would be for imperial users also. Okay, so what you're going to do is first click new. You're going to learn some tricks today. Browse. You don't default metric, we need default system, so isn't it? You're going to click imperial, default, and then open. Sorry. Okay, once you've upgraded, okay, we're going to link one AutoCAD file. Okay, so just wait for some time. Then the sorry. 1 minute. Okay, we've linked the doing fabrication before. Okay, anyway, all good. Yeah, now what we're going to do, we want to link one AutoCAD file. Okay, we have different methods of linking. One is go to the insert tab, link CAD, or go to manage links and then add, isn't it? Okay, another question comes from you. Another question is, okay, so this is a 2019 version. Okay, in 2020 and forward, you also have an option of link topography directly. Okay, because we're going to link. See, what you need to understand is we think as an architect now. You're not going to think anymore as who MEP person, isn't it? So you are the architect now. Okay, just remember this. So we're going to link an AutoCAD file, and then I show you how do we do it forward. Okay. Okay, we've linked the AutoCAD file. Okay. Sorry. Okay, one of my questions, okay, when I think about the AutoCAD, this is done by the site engineer, isn't it? Site, civil person. Okay, my question is, okay, just wanted to show you the elevation. Okay, so we come here and see. Can you see this? There is difference in elevation, isn't it? My question is, how would you going to draw your building here on this? Okay, I want you to put your comments in the comment section. The next video I will teach you. Coming up, I have to teach you how to draw the building on this, isn't it? So in the next video I teach you how to do it. Okay, take care, and we see each other in the next class. Yalla, bye.